Nti ya Kisii asengo komenya bina ekyombe kia Intersex Kenya Education and Advocacy kubwaterana ne CBO ya Madiva nigo baba kwaligania omorobelio litkolia lero bukurwa obasemia igoro ya Intersex as sublocation ya Bonyando okwana nigo abaiboli basemigwa korokia obwanchani nabo igo ogoitaberana abana bali baratoke gukagero gutwara chinguru cy'obonyaruka gose obomura mamincha nabuna bakorokana nonye nabo nigo baboligwa gotabanengeta nakoyeneke buna mbali ko baunereria eli goikerania obokoleri bwabo babwate obosibule muliketo daipo nasanya nabakagoikerana stinsemecho nabo igo gotwaliganiria oroboti rokobwatia
Ekyombe ya Intersex Kenya Education and Advocacy inse ya International Solidarity Foundation bakobwaterana na Madiva CBO nigubaina na amaigelio asabatuleti korua Bonyando imeye bunge ya bunchari igoro ya bana bali bakwiburwa kulindeti bali kumanyererwa koba abaiseke gusabamura
Samaria Tandu Katani mo assistant chief Bonyando sublocation here in Kisii South. Igo ngwa kirambia mono sana ase organization ya IKEA asa ya tuarero na tuare opportunity ngia yo kurangalia abatureti unabarai kubwa se binyoro byane byonspi banyari gosomigwa igoro ya mangana a Intersex
igo nachaga igaiterio konyora masomo igoro ya Intersex CPO bono nanyorera masomo aramaya igoro ya bana bakonyorekana ase binyoro kwetera batemanyiti ngangi bali
ekerenga ekenene no gukoro konengetwa kwa bali bakuiburwa asenchereywe.
Working on ending stigma against these intersex persons, we have to look at them as people who are not broken and they do not need any fixing. Intersex persons are people like us and they do not need any fixing. Let us love them, let's give them love, let's not violate their rights.
Nanyana bo ni gobaegwa obosemia wokoro kyo bwanchani buna abana bande bwanchiri bonde botayo
twensi tokonyora masomo anga buna yaiga gatugocha kumanyanga kumbe n'abana bakuibura muna Intersex nabaro mumanya abantu taliye birema
irinda abantu baitu bebinyoro banyare konyora masomo aya irinda abana abakuchigotoko onyora masomo aya naroro banyare konyamanya buyamono irinda abana bambachikirana nagusaba iburi abange batwara okwanchiriri asabana babo.
And we are out here to create awareness so that we can encourage intersex persons to come out, to be counted and to be identified and to notify the community and the society at large that they exist.
Teligento kerekegen ase binyorombaro naende twabeire ase chinga kitintambe tubaire tekobanga kubona n'abana bataikiraneti bose abana baragereire lakini yaro twanyorena abana bayana nabo banga mwana ndi bwensi ubwo baseke nyoro
meyense ya Kenya ni gotore no mubarubu abana baiboire asenchereywe sebono baboligwe wesokya na kwelikia eri banyale kwenyorera oboene bwabo.
Countrywide, we have about 1,524 intersex persons according to general census that was conducted in 2019. And then in Kisii County only, we have about 30 intersex persons. But again, that's not the accurate number of intersex persons we have because when the census were being conducted, not all intersex persons came out to be counted because of the various reasons we have, stigma and security issues.
Kusanganika taseniki Ndizi TV bakoreranga bali baiboira senchereywe bagwanirete kounererwa kolende koye wali bagaligiya liyo kwemanya na kwegendereria.
As an organization, we advocate against IGM, which is intersex genital mutilation. These are corrective surgeries conducted on intersex children to place them in a box, either male or female. But we stand against those surgeries because normally when a child is not yet in puberty, we cannot ascertain whether this child is going to gravitate towards a male or female. So it's good to leave these children to grow as they are, unless it's medically necessary. And I mean medically necessary, I mean this child is in grave danger.
Giko ripoteria Ndezi TV kurega segetigia iterio kigotoka imeje bunge ya Bonchari imeje kaunti ya Kisii iteria nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.